Alright, welcome back to this channel. We are still in technical drawing classroom and we are still looking at the classes of triangles as we have looked at the first class. As I said, that triangles are classified into two. Number one that we have talked about is according to the length of their sides. According to the length of their sides. Under that classification, we talk about equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scaling triangle. So those are the examples under that particular class according to the length of their sides. Now we are looking at the second classification, which is according to the size of their angles. According to the size of their angles, and in this case we have acute angled triangle as an example under this particular class according to the size of their angles. So we have acute angled triangle. So for an acute angled triangle, each angle is less than 90 degrees. Each angle is less than 90 degrees or a right angle. So each of the angles that we have in an acute angle triangle is less than 90 degrees. So this is an example. So looking at this triangle, so we have angle 75 degree, angle 65 degree, and angle 40 degree. So these angles are less than 90 degrees. So therefore, this triangle is an acute angled triangle. So let's take note of this. Then the second example under this classification is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So for a right angled triangle, one of the angles is 90 degrees. One of the angles is 90 degrees or right angle. So this is a right angled triangle in which this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 50 degrees, and this angle is 40 degrees. Okay? So let me give you one important information that you have to bear in mind. The sum of angles in a right angled triangle is equal to 90 degrees. The sum of angles in a right angled triangle is 90 degrees. So let's take note of that. Now, so the last example under this classification is an obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. So with an obtuse angled triangle, so one of the three angles is more than 90 degrees. One of the three angles is more than 90 degrees or more than a right angle. So as you can see here, so this is an obtuse angled triangle. How? Because one of the angles is more than 90 degrees. So this angle is 105 degrees, this angle is 50 degrees, and this angle is 25 degrees. So because one of the angles is more than 90 degrees, we have this triangle to be an obtuse angled triangle. So these are the examples under this particular class of triangles which we term according to the size of their angles. So all that you have to do is to study, is to learn this, and then you keep it in mind so that when it comes to objective questions in technical drawing, you'll be able to choose the right answer. So thank you, keep on practicing, keep on learning, and God bless you.